Oh my god, dude.
I don't love this.
Oh, wearing your friend's face.
Zac Amico's Midnight Spook Show.
Is the guy still alive? No. He is, dude.
He is?
Yeah, he's still alive.
Is he?
Listen to him. Oh, he's cutting off a shank. That is awful.
That's so fucking gross,
so
dude.
Gross. Zach, you're a piece
Oh my
of shit.
god, man.
Oh, he's gonna cut off his face.
How is she not puking?
Oh.
So that was why we spent all the time with this guy, so that we actually feel bad for him. This is the one likable guy in the movie.
OG?
LG. We saw him get disappointed. We saw him sad. We saw him try to be protective. The reason they put all that time into them is so that this was more meaningful.
I see.
Oh my god.
Damn, she wants to see it. Oh, he got the face.
Oh my god.
New face. Who dis?
Yeah. It's like, oh.
Oh, fresh face.
Same hair.
Same hair. Oh. What a dumb, silly.
Oh, he found her immediately. He goes, oh.
That was like my son's playing hide and seek. That was hilarious.
No good. No good.
He's like, not this again.
Not this again.
You know how to get me.
I'm thinking with the wrong hand.
You go,
I bet you got me all fucked up.
I've been really trying, baby. He goes, I'm not ready for you to meet my family yet. Oh, God.
Lady, did you follow me home, you fucking creep?
Yeah, you follow me up.
Shoot like it was steak. You gotta run for that money now. Chase that dollar. Gotta go fast to catch it.
You dumb baboons are too dumb to even feel like I'm tired of kicking your asses.
Oh, my God.
Stay here.
Yeah, he goes.
You trying to hide something?
She goes, no, I'm not. He goes, no, I'm not.
Well, get that eyeball pate working. Hey, you.
Eyeball pate.
Growing up, there was a lady with Down syndrome that lived across the street, and she would try and shoplift, but she was like that bad at it. And I remember she went to, it was called Sagro's Deli, and she ordered something, and then while her back's returned, she ate a bunch of powdered donuts. And they were like, did you steal donuts? And literally covered in powder. She was,
Oh, no.
Oh.
Put that down.
Oh, he's gonna make her wear it. It's a gift for my bride.
It's wet. Put it down.
It's wet. Oh, my God, dude.
I don't love this.
Oh. Wearing your friend's face.
That's brutal. I would immediately rip that off.
You won't be able to tell it's you.
Oh,
Oh,
Jesus Christ.
It's our wedding song.
Oh, my God. This is ridiculous, dude.
Dizzy her up.
And now for the first dance. The new Mr. and Mrs.
Earthface.
Earthface.
Oh.
Oh my god, dude. Oh, that's a crazy shot. This is nuts.
I like how he tied her arms so she could only move like him. Oh, he's alive. Brendan, look.
No, I don't want to.
You have
It's not
to.
real, buddy.
Not real, buddy. Oh!
Effects by Tom Savini, by the way.
Great job, Tommy.
Yuck, dude. He spits.
Are you wearing my face?
Darling. Darling. Don't be scared, darling.
Oh no, LG.
Dude.
Oh no. Oh no. LG. Oh my god. LG. They got you too.
You're wearing
Oh,
them.
LG.
Yo.
We got to get you on loose.
Oh, he saves her?
I'll untie you with my left hand.
With my good hand.
Oh, I hope he stabs her.
It's gonna accidentally.
Oh.
I would try the other hand.
Yeah.
The not chopped off half of my body.
Oh. Yo, his rib cage is so nuts.
Dude.
I guess I'm falling apart on you, honey.
Please.
I feel like fucking throw an anvil on my head or something. Like, kill me
know,
the
I'd be
fucking
like-
now.
He's been hit with a hammer 85 times.
Yeah, dude, what the